Hey, what's up guys, Scyye here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Discord bot. Now, for this tutorial I'm going to be using Discord.py. Discord.js has a couple of different things you can do. I prefer Python though, so we're going to be using Python. Now, before we start this, I do want to explain I'm going to be using a virtual machine for some things. This is not going to be a permanent thing. I'm just going to be using this just to show you a couple things. Such as downloading. So this is a new virtual machine, so even without the data. I don't need this, I don't need this. Okay. So you're gonna look up PyCharm and jetbrains.com/PyCharm. We're gonna go here. Then download. Use as a community edition for whatever OS you're running. Remove. Community. You're going to click download, and now this is going to run slightly slow. Not sure why TubeBuddy is opening up, but okay. This is going to download pretty slowly considering I'm on a virtual machine, and I only have 4 gigabytes of allocated RAM. So this is going to open up a couple tabs. Just ignore them mostly. I don't know if it does. It might just be new machine. I don't know. But we're going to go here, and once this is finished, if it wants to send the finished packet soon. Alright, it finally decided to say it's finished. So we go here, and I'm going to just double click on this, and I'm obviously going to be doing everything on my main computer. This is just showing you the installation process of things. We're gonna go here, yes, next, next. This, and this I recommend. You don't need desktop shortcut. JetBrains, obviously, just use that normally. JetBrains install, and this is going to install. Now we're also going to be installing Python install, and download Python. Now we have this here, which is downloading. And we have this here, just gonna send the finished. There we go. We're gonna run this, and then just okay. Install now. Just click install now. You don't need to customize anything. This is downloading. They're pretty easy to set up once you have them going. So I'm just going to go here, task manager, and I can kick this quick enough to go before it fully downloads. Okay, yes, Python. And then I can just, okay, this is not a technical process, that's annoying. But you're just going to install both of these, run PyCharm, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to cancel it, and I'm going to terminate my virtual machine. Now, that's the basics. That's the stuff you need to install. It's pretty simple to install that. Now let's get on with the actual tutorial. So I obviously already have PyCharm. So I'm going to open up PyCharm, and we're going to go ahead and go File. We'll do New Project, and now here's where we put the name. I'm going to call this bots. Let's do FNBP, Fortnite Battle Pass. I don't know. Make sure virtual env, new environment, location. Make sure it's in the right location. That's where I put all my coding. And there we go. That's good. Great. And I'm gonna go this window because I don't feel like having the other thing opened. So we create all this. It runs this, and if we run this file, it says hi PyCharm, and WAS. Let's see what happens here. Hi, Waz. So, this is just saying that this is whatever is here. So, that's basically it. That's pretty simple. And then we're just going to delete all that because we do not need this. Now, I'm going to go to, where is it? We're going to go to refactor, rename. I'm just going to name this bot. Now, first thing we're going to do is import Discord. Now, install package Discord. There we go. It's installing Discord. If this still shows up as red, underlined, you can just, let me do that. Import Discord. And now we're going to go to client equals Discord. Actually, no, I think it's commands. Import this name. Discord commands dots bots. What are the arguments here? Command prefix. I'm gonna do question mark. None. Oh wait, no, comma. Command prefix equals none. Not command prefix is none. Help command equals none because we're gonna make our own. And then what else? What are the other things we need to add? Let's see. What do we need to add? Is this going to tell us? Nope. It's not going to tell us because why would it? But yeah, that's, I think, pretty much what we need. I'm just going to, just to be safe, command prefix. And now, there we go. Now we're going to do at client.command. And this is how you make, actually we're going to do at client.event, I think it is. And then async def on ready. Now this is basically what happens when your bot starts up. So I'm going to do print bot started. And we're going to go at the very bottom, client.run, and now here is where you put your bot ID. Now we need to actually make the bot because bot doesn't exist yet. Now I'm going to open up this. Open your browser. I should not be in Scyye. I should be in my alt account. Log in. I'm a human. That shouldn't have happened. Okay. You know what I will do? I will go into the Discord app, which is actually going to switch me over to my other desktop. And it will not. Okay. And I'll just switch accounts to Scyye. Okay, there we go. Mark is red, mark is red, and mark is red. I'm just gonna mute all these. It's already muted. This is gonna be muted. This is my server. Okay, there we go. Now, in here, I'm gonna create a new server. Called my community. YouTube. And create. Now, we're going to go into here, and you're gonna look up Discord, whatever I just wrote, Discord developer portal, and go here and applications. Now, for some reason, this is not letting me log in. Let me check what email is associated with this account because he kind of needs to do that. Oh, it's that. Login. Okay, there we go. New application. I'm going to make this large. I'm going to new application. Now we're just going to name this whatever you want your bot name to be. So I'm going to name mine FNBP bot, I guess. You don't need to add bot, but it's whatever. Okay, now this is the account itself. This is going to be, you see, about me, name. We have all this. Now, you can add a link to all your stuff. You can, your injecting and point terms of service, privacy policy. I'm not going to. I'm just going to do this is an about me. So you can see where this would appear. Then we're going to go to save changes, bot, build a bot, add a bot. Yes, do it. FBP bot. And now you're going to do reset token. Yes, do it. Now this is the token for your bot. Do not share it with anybody, because if they have this, they can pretty easily get into your bot and literally log in and do stuff as your bot. So this actually has to be a quote. And now, if we head over to here, we go to OAuth 2, URL generator, bot, and this is all the permissions it needs. I'm going to do administrator, it's a lot easier. For public bots, you don't want to do administrator because that can look sketchy depending on what kind of bot it is. So we're going to go copy, put this in here, select a server, YouTube, continue, authorize, I'm human. And now, if we head into here, you can see that our bot has been added. And if we run this, okay, here we go. Events, is it on ready? Is that the event? Let me actually, let me open recent, pull bot, new window. Let's see what this is. Oh, right, we don't need those. Sorry. Run. Now, bot started, and our bot's online. Let's go. We have our bot. It has its own custom role. Now here, if we go to server settings or roles, we cannot edit this role. This role is, actually we can, but I don't think we can remove any permissions from it. Unless we can. That's stupid. Oh, right, you can't. Okay. You can't give it to members. It's a non-removable role. It stays on the bot and it cannot be added to anybody. So even though we can go into server settings and roles, it's here. We can't do anything. We can view the server's role if we want, but other than that, not much we can do. And I'm getting pinged on my main account, so I'm gonna switch over here and see what the pings are. Mute and mute. Okay. Okay. Switch accounts. Sorry about that. 1 second. There we go. Oh, it doesn't do that stupid sound effect. Okay. We have this added. It's online now. And let's see. And then we can go to here. And in here we can do await clients dot where is it? Client dot okay, change presence. Now I'm gonna do activity equals Discord dots. We can do game for playing. You can do video. What is it? Discord dot. Let's say what are the things we can do? I'm pretty sure if you go into the Discord developer portal in back to applications, documentation, search, activity. Okay. Now, is this... would this tell us what there is? No. Okay. Activity. Update activity, maybe? Alright, no, the best thing about this is we can just look it up. How to change the custom status of a Discord.py bot. That's what I like about this, is that you don't have to feel bad about like doing all this kind of stuff. Now we go to I think it's in here. There we go. This. Okay, here we go. Is activity object. Activity types, here we go. So, game, listening, streaming, watching, custom, or competing. So, I'm gonna go listening. So we're gonna go here, activity discord dot listening. Would that work? I'm just gonna do activity dot type dot nope, activity dot alright, you know, let's just do game for playing, because I'm not gonna try and figure out how to do all this. Game, and then it's just in here, name equals Fortnite Battle Pass. And now if we save and run, we can go into here, and there we go. Playing game, Fortnite Battle Pass. Okay. That's interesting to say the least. Now, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple command. Now, I do recommend up here, we're going to do clients.remove commands help. Let's do this, right? Yes, okay. Because the base help command Discord.py sucks. Close this. Alright, now we can do at client.event. And by the way, you can make this whatever you want. You can make this bot, you can make this whatever. This is basically just so you don't have to do like this every time. I mean, would this even work? Yes, it would. That's how you normally would do it, but it looks stupid. So just client.events or bot.events or whatever. This is not supposed to be fun, by the way. It's supposed to be command. Async def, and now we're gonna make a command. I'm gonna do a ping command. This will basically just return the ping of the bot, and I'm just gonna copy this and show you what everything does. And we're gonna pass in CTX. It's basically just like the context. That's what the CTX means. Now here we go. So await. This is before everything. So if you want to do await CTX dot send Fortnite Battle Pass, you can do that. I'll leave that, I guess. So we're going to do ctx.send. This is going to send the message in the same context. So it's going to send the message the same, like, place that you sent your message. F, this is basically a function, so like you can use these in here for like importing information. And then we're gonna do pong, so this is whatever you want to reply with. So we can do FNBP for Fortnite Battle Pass or something, I don't know. And then we're gonna round. So client latency will give you milliseconds. So if we don't round this, I can show you what happens if we don't do the round function. If we just do client latency. Client latency is save run. Now if we go ahead and do, and by the way, you do have to use your prefix, so ping, and that's what happens. So you're basically multiplying it by 1,000 and rounding it. That's why that exists, because it's going to return a millisecond, and you want it to return a whole number. So in order to make milliseconds a whole number, you have to round it to the nearest 1,000, which is why that is a thing. So it's rounding it. It's that's not there. So it's rounding this to, it's getting this number, then it's times it, multiplying it by 1,000, and then rounding it to the nearest 1,000. And then we have just ms at the end. So it tells us how many milliseconds instead of telling us how many seconds, which would be 0 point whatever. So if we run and then ping, and there we go. That's the ping of our bot. Our bot is running at 33 milliseconds ping. So whenever you do something, it'll take 33 seconds for the bot to respond. Now that's really easy. But in the next episode, I'm going to be taking you through a bit more stuff and showing you a couple more things of how to do stuff, how to set up custom commands, how to set up giveaway commands, how to set up a bunch of different stuff, how to run files through it. I have a if we look I have a feature in my Discord server. If I switch accounts to Scyye, I have a feature in my Discord server where we don't need this. Edit channel, general, I hate that case, so annoying. That was a joke, by the way, Pappy, I don't hate you. So if you do question mark help, you can see that we have this help command. We have return bot pings, poll, question, GP, help, purge, lotto / giveaway, reroll, start server. Now, the start server, this does exactly what it says. This starts my server. This is a Minecraft server, as you can see, RMCMC. RMC is Run's Mining Community, and then MC server. So the RMCMC has a Minecraft server that will that the members can start. And right now it's not running through it, because if it's running through it, it's running through the Python window. It doesn't actually run through the thing. So if I ever update the bot or do anything, it stops server, and that like pisses a lot of people off. So it will run the server through this command, and if I do start, this would have started the server. However, this command is disabled briefly due to testing. Sorry for the inconvenience. That's basically what happens. So yeah, just want to show you guys that, show you what this bot is capable of. And yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Scyye, and I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget, love, don't hate. Have a good day, have a good night. Whatever you do, don't kill orphans. Unless you're Jack now.